Hello guys and welcome back to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find YouTube Shorts history. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you need to do is just to go to your YouTube web app and then go to the history of your videos and then you will find both your videos and YouTube Shorts. So simply we click on the YouTube web app and then you will need just to go to your profile. Here you will find a history. By going to history, you will just click on view all, or you can already see these shorts. So those are shorts with this icon. If I click on this one, I will find it here. And of course, you can click on view all, etc. So you can just go to view all, and here you will find a section only dedicated to the shorts. And basically here you can find your YouTube shorts history. And you can click on watch history, manage to start filtering by interactions, like to find only the liked shorts, etc. If you have, if you don't have your history that is already uh, enabled, you can just go to your settings and basically you will be needing to start adding history by going to manage all history and then you can enable it or disable the history of your account. So as you can see, here are the controls. You can find the history. You can add uh, your history. You can start also filtering by control. You can click on manage history so you can delete all the things, or you can simply turn off your history and you won't have uh, a YouTube history, or you can just enable it by the same method. So as you can see here, those are all the things today or all the elements uh, of history for today. And you can also add some auto deletes by 3 months or by whatever. And basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.